Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of learning management systems, or LMS. We'll explore different types to help you find the best fit for your organization. Whether you're an educator, trainer, or administrator, choosing the right LMS is crucial. It impacts how you deliver and manage your learning programs. An LMS is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, and delivery of educational courses, training programs, or learning and development programs. Let's break down the main types of LMS: cloud-based, self-hosted, and open source. First up, we have cloud-based LMS. These are hosted by a vendor and accessed over the internet. Key benefits include scalability, cost-effectiveness, ease of maintenance, and minimal IT support requirements. However, there's dependence on the vendor and potential security concerns that must be considered carefully. Cloud-based LMS is ideal for organizations that need flexible, low-maintenance solutions. Let's look at some visuals to understand better how cloud-based solutions work. Now, let's discuss self-hosted LMS. Here, the organization hosts the system on their own servers. Advantages include complete control over data and security. However, there are some disadvantages. Self-hosted LMS is ideal for organizations with strict security and compliance needs. Visual aids can help understand how self-hosted solutions are managed. Next, we have open-source LMS. These are free, customizable platforms where you manage everything. Pros include high customizability and low upfront costs, making it an attractive option. Cons include the need for technical expertise and maintenance challenges to consider. Open source is best for organizations with technical teams seeking extensive customization. Let's visualize what that might look like. Beyond these primary types, there are also mobile LMS, virtual LMS, and other specialized solutions. Mobile LMS focuses on accessibility and remote learning, allowing students to learn on the go. Virtual LMS incorporates gamification and VR technology, making learning more interactive and engaging. Each type has unique features and specific use cases. Let's look at a few more visuals that demonstrate the different learning types. In summary, each LMS type has distinct advantages and disadvantages. Remember, key differences lie in deployment, customization, and scalability. Choosing the right LMS depends on your organization's specific needs, technical capabilities, and budget.